Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best crochet bag yarn storage portable currently available, the Veirdro Crochet Bag Organizer. Whether you're a casual crafter or a dedicated crochet enthusiast, this stylish and functional tote bag is designed to make your yarn projects easier and more organized than ever. Let's start with what sets this bag apart, the design. The Veirdro Crochet tote bag is made with a luxurious velvet exterior that immediately catches your eye. It's smooth, soft to the touch, and gives off a premium feel. On the inside, it's lined with soft polyester, making it lightweight yet durable. It's definitely one of the most fashionable options on the market for carrying your yarn and tools. Now let's talk about capacity and dimensions. This bag measures 10 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 9 inches high. That might not sound huge at first, but once you open it up, you'll be amazed by how much it actually holds. You can easily fit multiple yarn balls, your current project, and your entire tool set, hooks, needles, scissors, stitch markers, you name it. A standout feature of this bag is the 4 smooth grommets located at the top. These metal eyelets allow you to feed your yarn through while keeping the skeins safe and clean inside the bag. The yarn glides effortlessly through the grommets, which means you can crochet or knit without worrying about tangling or pulling the whole ball out every few minutes. It keeps everything neat, especially when you're working on the go. Speaking of access, the bag has a wide open design, making it super easy to find and grab what you need. No more digging around for that elusive hook or that one small accessory that always seems to disappear. There's a separate zipper pouch built in where you can organize your smaller tools, accessories, or even your phone and keys if you're taking this on the road. One of the biggest advantages of the Veirdro bag is its portability. The double-handle design means you can carry it by hand, loop it over your wrist, or even hang it on your shoulder if you're headed to a crochet group, class, or just relaxing in the park. It's both stylish and practical, a rare combo that makes it perfect for travel or daily use. And let's not forget versatility. While it's designed for crochet and knitting, it can double as a craft organizer for other hobbies too. Whether you're a cross-stitcher, embroiderer, or even a jewelry maker, this bag adapts to your needs. To sum it up, the Veirdro Crochet Bag Organizer isn't just another yarn bag. It's a well-thought-out storage solution built with both style and functionality in mind. From the velvet exterior to the ample storage space and thoughtful grommet design, it's made to elevate your crafting experience wherever you go. That's it for today's review. If you're looking for a crochet bag that's beautiful, compact, and incredibly practical, the Veirdro tote is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more honest reviews on your favorite crafting products. See you in the next video.